So I have created this makeup look right here using my high-end makeup products that I bought recently on my birthday, and this one, and I also got a mini with. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you have already seen on the title, this video is all about me testing out my new makeup products. Mostly I have created this makeup look right here using my high-end products that I bought recently on my birthday. I absolutely splurged this time, and already you have seen my haul, so you know what will be pretty much. And this is gonna be my first impression plus the review video. I will be trying all of them right here. So without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to makeup, beauty, lifestyle on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's get quickly jump into the video. So I'm trying here the hydrating primer from Benefit. This is absolutely beautiful, and especially for dry skin like me, goes hands on hand. So absolutely love this. Beautifully it preps the skin, makes it feel so hydrated. So for the base, I'll be applying the L'Oreal Tinted Serum Foundation. This is my new addition into the collection, and I absolutely love it. How comfortable it is. It gives that light to medium coverage, and this is how it look like. Already I have done a dedicated video of this, and also the comparison with the Fresh Wear Foundation from L'Oreal Infallible range as well. So yeah, you can see it. And I will be applying this with the help of these brushes. So in this makeup video, I will be using brushes from Mars. It's the Tools of Titan that I got hands on recently. Already you have seen in the haul. So among this, I'll be using the foundation brush. It's not a foundation, it's a tint, but still we're gonna try with this. Oh, wow, let me do that. Ooh, it's perfect. More than a sponge, this brush really helps. So this brush is so beautiful. The sponges, I have used it for spreading this tint as well, but it was soaking up a lot of product because this tint is very liquidy. So I think the brush is the best combination to do that, to spread your foundation. Also, it's written the foundation brush right here. So the bristles and everything is so beautiful, and it got the flattened end that makes it super easy with the application. And once it settles down a little bit, it will match everything with my neck as well. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. I really love it. So with this tinted foundation, I usually don't conceal my eyes, but as I am going and as I'm reviewing the brushes, so I need to review this concealer brush as well. So I will conceal my eye areas, and so I do not have a new concealer, but today let me try what I have. It's the eraser concealer right there. This is also one of my favorite concealers by far, and yeah, it got this very beautiful, this spongy texture that makes all the sense and helps to easily spread the concealer, and it doesn't oxidize that much as well. So let me just quickly. Oh wow, this is so good. I do have the Mars's other concealer brush, which is this one what I was talking about in my last video. This is the angular brush, and this also got everything written right here, like how their brushes are. And now I have the set, so how beautifully this concealer brightens my under eye. I mean, love it. Okay, so in this set we do not have a contour brush, so I will be using my previous concealer brush as contouring. likewise. And for contouring my face, I'll be using the Stila Contour. This is a blush and contour duo, basically bronzing duo, but the shade is apt for contouring. Okay, so yeah, my face is contoured and looks very snatched. So in this brushes set, you also get a powder brush right here. I will try to use it as well. Let me see. This is rightly written here, so beautiful. Okay, so I'll be setting my complete face using this K Beauty loose powder right there. Absolutely love it. I'm lately using only this, and this is so beautiful. Blush powder, sorry, loose powder. Okay, so for my eyes, I have basically two things. One is my Natasha Denona face palette, which include both blush and eyeshadow, and next is again Selena's Eye Duo. This is the essential eye kit. I will be reviewing both but playing around, so let's see. So this is how beautiful this palette looks like, and if I open it, I'm so scared and happy at the same time. So this is, should I open this? Yeah, like I'm using the transition color as the base. I'll be doing the crease, which is this one. I will try to do a smoky kind of, I don't know actually, just I'm doing it and blending it. Wow, how pigmented are they? I'll be repeating the same thing for lower eyelash. Do I have anything to side? Yeah, so I'm using the pencil brush. Okay, so this is how my eyes look. You know what, I will be going ahead and I'll be trying this Selena's kit right here from Rare Beauties. So I will be using the eyeshadow stick from here just to see. This is a kind of a glittery shade, and this is what the shade is. It's an ashy brown color, and also I do have in this kit, I do have their, you know, mascara as well. So I will be trying this. Love it, completely love it. My festive season is all set. I barely have lashes, and look at it. Just see the difference. One coat only I have done. It's so beautiful. Let me do this. Is my eye makeup look like so beautiful. I will just off camera do a little bit of wing lining, and that will be it. Honestly speaking, अगर मैं line भी नहीं करती तो this eye look would have been as beautiful as before. So I mean, so pretty it's looking. It's so highly pigmented. Let me review this Natasha Denona. I think I'm too small to review this. This is such a great palette in itself. Absolutely love it. Worth every penny. Now I will be trying their blush and the highlighter because it's a face palette completely with everything right here in it. I'm taking with, oh wow, it's written here a cream blush, but I don't think it's a cream blush. Although I do have the Rare Beauty blush to try, I don't know how I will show you, but anyway. It's not blending that easily like I was expecting to be, as in cream blush, but the shade is so beautiful. The shade is very pretty. You know what? This side of my face, let me do the Rare Beauty. So, oh my god, this is how pretty she is. I'm using here the shade called Believe. Why I forget this is so pigmented and I keep on applying more. Oh my god, this is such a pretty looking shade. Definitely I do like the Rare Beauty blush more than this face palette का blush right here, because ये ना blend होने में थोड़ा सा time लेता है. It's not that creamy, although it's written that it's a creamy blush. And eyeshadow तो bang on there. You can simply see how beautiful it looks. Even if a beginner can make this beautiful eye look out of this palette. So it's expensive, but then worth every penny. But for blushes, Rare Beauty ka blush, I think no one can give takkar as of now, what I'm feeling like. So yeah, let me know which side you like more. It's looking good. Okay, so my final verdict for the blush will be definitely the Rare Beauty blush any day. Being it a creamy blush right there, it blends on so easily, and this is a powder blush, very tricky to work upon sometimes. So definitely go for the Rare Beauty blush if you're considering. And also this comes in a set, so you know it's good. It's not bad, but sometimes it will be very tricky. But yeah, this is how my blushed face look like. I mean, it's pretty good. I tried to balance both the side by utilizing both the blushes right here, and this is the final result. I love it. Okay, so now I'll be trying the Natasha Denona Palette's highlighter right there. This is in the shade called Star Glow, and it's such a beautiful shade. Oh my god, why I do this? I know this is so pigmented, but still I'm an idiot. I'm really an idiot. So just look at it. Don't be an idiot like me. Use it in very light-handed. Use it. So मैं बोलती हूँ use it very light-handed, then I go on tapping. So coming to the last thing is this lipstick right here. ये Marcis का lipstick है जो कि हर जगह out of stock है. I have tried on Nykaa and different places, didn't get it, but from their website finally upon restocking I got, and this is such a beautiful shade because I just tried on the YouTube ka short, so that's why I know how it's gonna be. It is insanely beautiful. So let me try it. It's called the Matte Muse, and I got the prettiest coffee brown shade. It's so stunning. Let me show you now, and look at it just. This is the one swipe pigmentation. I mean, for this lipstick you need not to apply any lip liner because this will do all the job. It blurs out everything, any cracks or chapped lip you have. This will cover everything and gives that blurred out finished look, and we will absolutely love it. Look at that shade, how pretty it is. I mean, absolutely love it. It really goes with the eyes and everything. I know how the makeup turned out. It's stunning. I absolutely love this lipstick. Very inexpensive. I know you must be thinking why it is in this high-end haul. Just key I have tried. It's a new one in my collection, so that's pretty much summarizes why it is. But then it's such a pretty shade. It can give takkar to the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick right there, because this also got this souffle kind of texture like this one. So it's so stunning. So moving to the last thing, I absolutely forgot that I got from Myntra last is the Maxis setting spray. I almost forgot it and I was going to end this video, but nonetheless I got this Maxis Fix Plus. It's so beautiful. I already tried it while doing the haul. So oh my god, this is pretty. I'll be applying on my whole. मेरा मुंह में चला गया. Anyways, it's so beautiful. It's so. I do not need to say that how beautiful this spray is. मुझे हमेशा से लगता था these all are like very fancy water and it's inexpensive, okay? But right now I can invest on, and it's all of investment for me. I absolutely love it. It does make your makeup last very long. So with that, that is it of this video. So I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up. And this was pretty much my review for this video. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.